diamond, quiero estar frozen. Nadie nos para, que aún estamos chosen. Una falla y todos los tracos te cosen. Sigo esperando que algunos se boquen, otros puletazos para el geek.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. For today's video, we're going to be prepping the car for the wrap. I'm gonna be changing the bumper, installing the lip, putting on some puddle lights on the side skirts, mounting that up, see how that's gonna look, and just doing little things for the car to get it prepped for the wrap. The bumper, we have to kind of work on it a little bit. As you can see this here. The tabs are good though. All the tabs are good on it, so that's the only thing that's pretty much important, at least for me. We're gonna get that fitted. We're just leaving it out in the sun right now so it could kind of like mold itself back, because it was in the shed for a while. This one's completely broken. This one, the whole tab is gone from it. It's just been hanging. I think I'm gonna change the headlights also to the other ones that I have. I don't know if I'm gonna be replacing these today, but I'm gonna be working on the new ones. I might make that a separate video on how to make custom tails for the TSX. I've only seen, I think, 2 other TSXs with them, so yeah, it might be a little rare to see out here, especially in the East Coast, I would say. Not sure, but we just went to get the inspection this morning and we got it. We good. I also want to redo the trunk for the tank. I want to rivet it to somewhere on the top of the trunk so I have more trunk space and be able to add the sub that I had before for the music, but that'll be in future videos hopefully. Start with the bumper. I'm gonna take this bumper off. I'm gonna measure it on this one with the lip, and then we're gonna start cutting, because you have to cut the bumper in order to fit this Mugen lip on it with the fogs. So yeah, let's get to that. Looks good. Looks good. Alright, now we're gonna go get the headlights and swap those out. But since I gotta be doing all the work, I'll just save you guys the energy and show you. So we got the Lexus style headlights. This is how it sits. Getting ready for the wrap. I have to do the side skirts, puddle lights, splitter, and tail lights. And then I think we should be okay with either doing minor body work, depending if I have the time to do it. If not, I'm gonna just wrap it like that, because it doesn't look too bad. But I'm gonna try my best to, you know, get all the imperfections out, make sure it looks good, so when you guys see version 3, it looks decent, you know. DIY build as always, so just trying to make the best of it. But I think I like these headlights. I didn't like them before. They kind of okay. The tail lights I didn't like. The tail lights you're gonna see, it's gonna be different. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. These are the tail lights. We got these right? I got these off of Facebook for a deal. So I think these go for like 2 something. I got these for $80. I guess the person was trying to modify them and wasn't able to do it, or decided not to continue to do it, and he put them up for $80. And like this, I don't like these, right? But I saw on online, like 2 people had these. I'm gonna put the video of the person that I saw do this on the description. So if you want to see how I got the inspo, it's gonna be in the description below. They're supposed to be like this. So the black housing is gonna get painted silver, and this is gonna be the outcome. So it's gonna be essentially clear tails, but out of this tail light. And then another thing, the reason why this was $80 is because this didn't come with the glass. So the reason why we have this plexi we got from Home Depot, we're gonna cut out, we're gonna mold it with the heat gun, and we're gonna try to see if we could save that. Alright guys, update. So unfortunately I had to make 2 of these. I had to do this one here and then this one here. They're both on the inside, so that's how it's looking so far. Should have these done by tonight. The video is not going to be complete, so we're going to have to be doing the side skirts probably tomorrow after work. Alright guys, so it's yet another day and we're going to be installing the taillights on the TSX. Alright guys, so we just got the side skirts ready. Let me show you guys what I ended up doing. So I added rivets to the splitter to hold it on, and then we got the puddle lights as well. So we're gonna go install this right now. It should be good for wrap after. Show you guys the fitment. So the Mac lifter kit came, I did it, and it made the fitment a lot better on the bumper. Just take this side skirt off. I have to take the wheel off. I don't think I have a small enough screwdriver to fit there, but we'll see. Let's just get this out and go from there. And then also we gotta wire it. Alright guys, so see the car behind me. We got everything prepped, not everything, but like majority of the stuff. So I feel like the next video should probably be some minor body work, minor prepping, and most likely the wrap. We'll leave you guys with some cinematics of the car, everything that we've done, the fitment, the side skirts, the airbags, you know, everything's pretty much good to go. If you guys are new, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff to help the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.